Hi, it's Nienke Bloem, and today I want to introduce a book that I already use for years. It's a practical book, and for all those CX, those customer experience leaders out there, we have to run workshops a lot, or we have to facilitate sessions to make people aware about what customer centricity is, to well, what I explained and what I found out myself in about, we have to have others trip over the truth to make them aware of what customers are perceiving or what issues are within the organization. And the book I've used a lot is this book, Gamestorming. And the book is there in several languages, and what I love about this book is that it approaches workshops as like it's a game. And there's a lot to be learned from games. 6 years ago, Babs Asselbergs and I, we started the customer experience game, and we build up our game through these principles. And I think it's very important when you use the book, you start with reading the chapter 2 and 3. It's all about the design of workshops and how every workshop and games have an opening, a middle part and a closing. And in the book they have a lot of visuals that I want to show you, and I'm gonna grab them with it, about how you design that and have a look about all these kinds of things. It can be a one workshop or a whole program. I love how they do that. And there are 4 games that I want to share that I use a lot. And first of all, it's the history map. History map, yay! In my book, it's page 101. And what I love about the history map is that you visualize the history of your organization, of what's happened. And I think it's very important that we dive a little bit deeper, because not everybody works that long within an organization, especially when you're a consultant. Like, what is the history? What have been changes? Were there other names before, other change programs? And it makes it visual, and it helps for the team to understand the context you're operating in. One, history map. The second one, I truly love, which I actually use in my advanced program, is the Pre-Mortem. It's like you do a project, you imagine, instead of doing a post-mortem, an evaluation, you evaluate beforehand. What if everything goes wrong? So for example, your culture project, what if everything were now 2025 and it failed miserably? What went wrong? A perfect tool to use Pre-Mortem. Then the third one, I've got 4, so this is the third one, is the show and tell. Very simple, but it works. It works with the visuals and it works with the tell. Yes, it requires some preparations for your participant, but I love, love, love it. And the fourth one, I think, is very applicable for us as CX professionals. It's called Customer, Employee, Stakeholder. So you go into time and you divide your group in 3 groups: employees, customers and stakeholders, and you look at it through different sides. What would be their opinion? And it's like a role play. So for all of you out there, get this book, get Gamestorming, apply these methodologies, see what work, create your own. You can see I use it all the time, and why not borrow the things that are out there? So I'm really curious what methodologies from the book and what games you use. Please share in the comments. And for now, wishing you a fabulous day.